Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do pork and vegetable stir fry, and these are the ingredients that you need. I have about 200 grams of pork tenderloin, and I already sliced it, and 1 carrot, a small onion, but you can use 1 big one or a medium one, it's your choice, 1 slice of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, about 200 grams of snow pea, sugar, salt, cornstarch, pepper, oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, cooking wine, soy sauce, and oil. We're going to start to marinate the pork with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and then 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and then a pinch of pepper. So you mix it, let it stand for about 15 minutes minimum. In the meantime, clean the snow pea, and the snow pea looks like this when you bought it from the store. And there's a part that sticks out, and this part has a tough skin, a string in it. So I'm going to peel it like this, so it goes like this. So the tough part, and the second one on this side, it's a little O, so also you do the same thing. And then try this side. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And there you go. It's good. Try another one. Or you can do it with a knife. So you can do it with a knife like this, and then this side like that. And then you can try, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't for this side of the pea. I'm going to rinse it. Rinse it a couple of times. I'm going to peel the carrot. Rinse it a little. And then chop it. I have 2 small onions. One slice of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, my pan is hot. I'm going to add some oil and add in the garlic and onion. Let the aroma comes out first before I add in the sliced pork. I can smell the onion and the garlic, and I am going to put in the pork. Turn it over when the other side is brown a little. Try to separate it. While we're waiting for the stir-fry pork to be cooked, so we're going to prepare the sauce. 1/4 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, about 1/3 cup, and stir. Smells so good. So now I am going to add in the carrot. ginger, and everything else. I'm going to add a little bit of water, not that much, because you need a little bit of steam. So okay, it's been 3 minutes, and let me check. So some porks are still like together, so try to break it apart. But basically almost done. See, 80% done. Let's cover it back. Okay, 2 minutes has gone by, and let me check. More water comes out because the pork is fully cooked. It is fully cooked because I can stick my my chopstick in easily. That's how you can tell if it's cooked. So it's cooked, and it's time to add in the sauce that we prepared earlier. Stir it first because it went to the bottom. So I have to wait until it boils because it was water. Now it's bubbling, so I just mix it. And I find it a little thick, so I'm going to add in a little bit more water. So that's what you do. When the cornstarch is too thick, so you just add in a little bit more water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.